Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video we'll be learning how to make Ankara auto gele, and I have 1 yard of Ankara with me. Okay, so I use gum stay, the light one, and lining. Okay, so the measurement for the Ankara is 30 inches by width and 29 inches by length. Okay, so just do the same with both lining and your gum stay. Okay, so what I did here, I'm trying to get the front side, then use your lining, face the gum stay up to the gumming side and gum it together with the lining. Okay, Ankara is very light. You cannot make a nice print without gum stay, but with the help of the gum stay you can make a nice print. After ironing it down together with the lining, gum stay and the line, after ironing it down, then you take it to your sewing machine. Now sew both your Ankara, your clothes, your lining and gum stay. Sew everything together so that it will be intact before making your print. Okay, if you did not do it right at the process of making your print, you will find out that at the end you're only printing the clothes, but you will not be printing the lining. I don't know if people are understanding me. Just keep on watching this video because everything is well detailed on this video. Okay, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, I want to say a very big thank you. Welcome to my channel. Here on this channel, we teach everything concerning headgear, headwears, everything about headwears. That is what we did. That's what we are teaching on this channel. Okay, please, if you have watched to this level and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. The only way you can support me is by liking my video, because by liking it, it will show YouTube algorithm that at least this video is making sense. Okay, I don't know if you are getting me. Please do well to like, drop a comment. If anything you want me to teach, just put it on the comment section. Also add thank you, because it encourages me a lot. Okay, so now I'm making this print. When I was recording this video, I don't know, it wasn't recording. Okay, but just make your print the same way you are doing your normal print with auto gele. Okay, already with the help of that gum stay, the one that you gum together with your lining and sew it together with the cloth, everything, the material is now thick. Okay, just do your print gradually. Okay, if you feel that you are not getting it, you can lose it and start afresh. Okay, so don't be in a rush. Just keep on picking it small by small, as you can see me doing on the video. Okay, so there is nothing like rushing on this process. Just do it small and you will get it. All right guys, if you're enjoying this video, just say thank you. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.